हेलो गाइस, आई एम हर्ष एंड आई एम बैक विथ अनदर वीडियो। सो वीडियो का टाइटल देख के आपको आज का टॉपिक समझ ही गया होगा। सो यस, टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट थिंग्स टू पैक फॉर यूएसए एज इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट। सो the thing is, I am just a week away to take my flight to USA and I am done with my shopping. So I thought, why not make a video and tell you the complete list I am carrying with me. So this is the list I have made of the things. I have asked this to seniors and the people who are currently staying in US. So yeah, let's begin with the video. So let's start with the personal care items and clothing. So let's begin with formal clothes. So carry a suit because you will be attending a lot of events like career fairs, events, talks as a student. So you will be supposed to wear formal good clothes there. So carry a suit and carry 4 to 5 formal shirts and formal pants. Also carry a few colorful ties with this. This is a complete formal dress up. So consider carrying your formal clothes there. So coming to the casual clothes, so one thing you should keep in mind is we won't be doing our laundries daily in the US. So the culture is that students generally do their laundries in a week or two. So you have to have that number of clothes to sustain that number of days. So I would suggest for casual clothes you should consider taking 10 to 12 t-shirts and 5 to 6 casual shirts, and also you can take 4 to 5 jeans and pants. So like this number of clothes will be enough for you to sustain for 1 or 2 weeks. Also you can take, yeah, like your home wears like track pants, your 3/4 shorts, whatever you are comfortable into. So also carry good number of home wears because again you won't be doing laundries every day. Now the next is ethnic wears. So we will be needing ethnic wears in US as well because we will be celebrating few Indian festivals like Diwali, Independence Day, and etc. So yeah, carry your ethnic like sherwanis, kurtas, whatever you wear in India. So carry few of them to states as well. Now the next is undergarments. So I would suggest take 10 to 12 pairs of inners because again you won't be doing laundries like on daily basis. So carry 10 to 12 pairs of inners. Now the next is footwears. So carry footwears accordingly, like one for formals, one for casuals, one sport shoes. You can carry slippers and sandals, and also consider carrying around 10 to 12 pairs of socks. Now coming to the next point, personal care items. So you can carry nail cutters, combs. You can take your shaving or trimming kit, whichever thing you use. Girls can take the accessories and makeup items. So this was all about the personal care and clothing. Now let's check the next part, that is groceries and homemade items. So coming to the next part, that is groceries and homemade items. So most of you would be cooking your own meals there. So consider carrying all the masalas and spices which we use here. So all the masalas like garam masala, turmeric, chili powders, and all such other spices and masalas. So carry good amount of such packets there. You will be getting all of this in US, but they won't taste that good. So yeah, consider carrying your homemade masalas. Now coming to the next part, that is ready to eat meals. So for the initial days till you set up your kitchen, you will be needing some ready to eat meals and Maggi packets. So carry them accordingly. And the final thing is homemade items. Everything which your mom makes, that is like laddu, pickle, matri, and the things you love to eat. So carry them all there because you won't be getting all this. So coming to the next part, that is kitchen utensils. So you would be getting most of the utensils in US, but the typical utensils which you use in India that are hard to find or maybe expensive there. So I would recommend you to buy it from India. So I would highly recommend you to buy a pressure cooker. So you can buy 3 liters, 5 liters, or 7 liters accordingly. And the next I would recommend is if you are into making rotis, so you can carry this like belan, and we call it chakla, so chakla belan. And also you won't get the tongs easily, so for flipping rotis. And if you are into frying things, so you can like buy such a fryer. Also I put all, like I'll show you it. So you can take this flippers and ladles which we get here, and one great hack for chopping is this chopper. So like this is a lifesaver for students. So you just have to pull the string and you can chop the vegetables. And also I would be carrying this, we call it silbatta, like we can crush spices in this. So I am a fan of this, I'll be carrying this as well. And if you love drinking tea, so you can carry the tea strainer, because this is also not easily available everywhere. Also, like this is a pav bhaji masher. Who doesn't love pav bhaji? So like we would be making there, right? So you can carry this pav bhaji masher there. So these are few items like which you can consider carrying according to what you feel is good for you. So coming to the next part, that is miscellaneous items. So I've made a list of things which are really important and you need to take them with you. So the first is passport size photo. So getting a photo in US is really expensive. So consider getting some like a good 50-60 photos from India. And if you wear glasses like me, so glasses are also really expensive in US. So consider getting 3 to 4 pairs of extra pairs of glasses to the US. So the next is stationery. So I won't say buy everything in stationery, but I would say rather buy some basic pens, highlighters. Also get a toolkit or screwdriver, because you would be buying stuff from IKEA and Walmart and you need to fix them by yourself. So toolkit would be needed there. Also carry some general counter medicines, because you can get them easily in India. So carry them, and also don't forget to carry the prescription, else you can get into trouble on the airports. And finally, I would say carry a mini sewing kit and learn how to put a button. So if your button comes out there, so you can quick fix it by yourself. So yeah, these are all the items in the miscellaneous list. So now let's jump to our next list, which is things not to carry to the US. So there are a few things that you should not carry to the US. So don't carry any white items like rice, sugar, salt, because you don't want to get into trouble at the customs. So don't carry them. And if you want, you can carry small sachets of sugar and salt for the initial days, and then you can buy it from the US. I would say don't buy any leather or winter jackets for going there, because you would be getting better leather jackets or winter jackets there. So you can go there and buy. And if you have with you, so you can carry 1 or 2 of them, but don't fill up your bags with jackets. And if you are planning to buy electronics like phones and laptops, so don't buy it in India. Go there, and electronics are good and cheaper in US. So if you have, you can carry your devices, but don't specifically go and buy them in India. Also, don't carry a lot of plates and bowls with you, because that will be taking a lot of space, and you will be getting that for cheap in US. So just carry 1 or 2 plate or bowls and spoons for you, and later on you can buy it in Walmart for cheap prices. So one final tip is make extra copies of all the documents you are carrying, and put like make a set of it and put it in every bag you are carrying, and put the originals in your carry-on bag. So basically you would be having backups in every bag, and also keep 1 or 2 copies of these documents in India for further use. Also, I would recommend you to scan and put all your important documents on Google Drive. So basically it will be readily available to you everywhere, and anywhere if they ask you to upload it, or in like you have to show your documents, so you can easily access it on your phone. So that's it for today's video. I made a document list and I would be putting it in the description, so you can check it out for the reference. And also I would be giving links for the important items which I have mentioned, so you can check them, and if you want you can buy it from there. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who are planning to go to US. This can be helpful for them in their packing and shopping. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.